Hey everybody, welcome to Sasquatch EDC. My name's Brett, and this is my channel. And I love knives, and I like messing with knives, like buying knives, like buying EDC stuff. And today up here I have this Swiss Tech Lodern kit. It's a campfire essential tools fixed blade kit. My boys have shown an interest in outdoor stuff like me, and they want to camp and fish and all kinds of stuff. And so I got them this from Walmart. Thought it'd be a great little kit to take a look at, maybe get them started on. Let's open it up, take a look, see what's going on. Right on the top, fixed blade knife, Swiss Tech logo, sheath, little lanyard there, little ramp to deploy the fixed blade. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if that's for your thumb. Interesting little knife. Some half serrated there. Not sure what you'd call this blade design. Pretty sharp right out of the box. I'm not a big serrated knife guy, but I guess if you're out in the wilderness, it doesn't hurt to have, especially for some young boys to learn on. So there's that. Classic garbage. Comes with a nice little EDC pouch though. Put everything in. Little striker. Pocket clip there, that's cool. Spot for a lanyard. Swiss Tech logo. Pocket bellow. So this is, I believe, extendable as a hole so you can stoke your fire. Little rubber mouthpiece there. Looks like it comes off and is washable. That's pretty nice. This thing's pretty long. One of my other videos, I made one of these out of wood. You should go check that out. It's neat. Flint rod there. Guessing this is magnesium. And what do we got over here? Some tinder and safety stuff. Use that for tinder as well. And a little grater to make some extra tinder. Okay. It's not very sharp, but if you had some dry wood, you could flake off some pieces for a fire. Oh no, pretty cool little kit for my boys. They're 9 and 5 or 9 and almost 6, so I think it'd be pretty neat to get them into doing some stuff. So neat kit. Walmart Swiss Tech Lodern kit. Thanks for stopping in.